Most people have made tens of thousands of dollars through hard work and long hours of dedication. But today, I'm going to show you how to make that much money while doing far less work. All thanks to this platform, which will do all of the hard work for you and allow you to easily earn thousands of dollars. Keep watching and start earning with ease right away. Fine, so let's get this strategy started. This is one of the two platforms that will pay us today, freelancer.com. Even if you've never heard of this website before, you can probably guess what it's about based on its name. On this site, you can find regular people like me and you offering our services for almost anything, such as graphic design jobs, website design jobs, mobile app development jobs, software development jobs, and so on are available. There are simply too many of them listed here for me to read it out for you. The point is that on Freelancer, whether you're a customer or someone looking to make some money, you can either find someone to do just about anything for you, or you can do just about anything to get paid. We will want to offer one specific service to freelancers as well as the second platform, which I'll show you shortly. And that particular service will make you the most money because I will share a completely free tool with you later in the video. So, in any case, make sure to stay tuned. Before we get there, let me show you what you need to do as a freelancer in this situation. And that is to click right here on Earn Money Freelancing to sign up for free on this site. From there, you'll have the option of signing up through Facebook, which is in the end a much faster method than I would recommend. If you don't want to do that, simply enter your email address and password in the fields below. Then check this box to confirm that you agree to their terms before clicking Join Freelancer to complete the process. What happens after that is freelancer.com asks you to enter some basic information about yourself, such as your country of origin and the city or town you live in, and so forth. You will be on the same page as I am. Your earnings will be displayed right here, and once you've made some money, you will be able to withdraw it by clicking right here on Deposit Funds. Anyway, now that you've signed up for Freelancer, it's time for me to show you the second platform we'll be using to get paid. One that you'll also need to sign up for. Guru.com is the name of that second platform. The said website is extremely similar to Fiverr.com. Nonetheless, it's not nearly as competitive, making it the ideal alternative that I highly recommend you use as a freelancer. Even though Freelancer and Guru will allow you to make more money, because not every customer who uses Guru is aware of freelancers and vice versa, meaning that combining the two platforms will allow you to maximize your profits. In any case, as you can see below, Guru has paid out over $250 million to its users, and to the left of that, you can see that this site works globally for those who are interested in signing up to Gurus, so they can make money with it. To sign up, go to the upper right corner and click the sign up button. From there, you'll have the option to sign up with Facebook, LinkedIn, Google, or just your email address. In that case, enter your full name here and your email address just below. They'll then ask you to choose between a security question and two-factor authentication to protect your account. And once you enter that along with your location and a few other details, you will be taken to the page I'm on right now. And it is on this page that you will be able to post your service. And now it's time for me to show you what kind of services you'll need to offer on Guru and Freelancer.com. The service category on which we will concentrate will be graphic design. And it's not just because I have a free tool that will be of great assistance to you. Another major reason is that there aren't many people offering graphic design services on both Guru and Freelancer. This is critical because it means you won't have as much competition, which increases the amount of money you can potentially make. Take a look at how much money people are making on Fiverr by creating YouTube thumbnails. This person is charging $10 for a thumbnail and has decided on nearly 500 reviews, which means that no less than $4,800 has been made. This person is charging $10 per thumbnail and has nearly 2,000 reviews, so we're talking about at least $20,000 in earnings. Here's another example to prove my point. $10 per thumbnail with over 3,000 reviews, implying that this guy has made at least $30,000. I could go on, but I think you got the idea. Creating YouTube thumbnails is a lucrative business, And the reason I'm using Fiverr to demonstrate how much money can be made is that there is a lot of competition on Fiverr. Despite the fact that these people have tens of thousands of dollars, you don't have to deal with that much competition on either Guru or Freelancer, which means you can make that much money, especially with the tool I'm about to show you. Without further ado, the tool in question is snappa.com, and you can use this platform to create any type of design, not just a YouTube thumbnail, without any prior experience. And the best part is that you don't have to pay anything to use this platform. It's not a free site for a set period of time before you have to invest money into it or whatever, which is why it's so great and why I'm showing it to you. As a result, you can create any type of design on this site. Though you must sign up. To do so, you should click on Get Started Free right here or in the upper right corner. To complete the process, simply enter your name, email address, and password. Then complete the CAPTCHA and finally click Get Started Free once more. Now that that's out of the way, let me show you how simple it is to create a design using this site. The first step is to select a template type, such as an Instagram post or a Facebook post. Because I was using a YouTube thumbnail as an example, I'll use it in my example. After you've chosen your template type, you'll need to select an actual template. And depending on what your customer requests, you will select any of these for your new design. Once you've done so, you'll be taken to the editor where you'll actually create your design. There's nothing you can't do with this website. You can change the font, size, and position of the text. The color of the text can be changed. By clicking right here, you can change the background. And as you can see, it will show you an infinite number of options. You can add graphics and shapes by clicking right here. There's nothing you can't do with this tool. And the best part is that you can create a professional thumbnail in as little as 5 minutes of work to earn $10 right away. Even if you don't have any design skills and don't have the money to buy expensive software like Photoshop, you can literally do this over and over to earn $10 with ease. It's all because of this tool. With that said, that is all for today's video. I hope to see you in my next video.